Hello, hello, and welcome to Losers Become Winners for January 28, 2020. CPRT. What an overnight. Yesterday it closed barely in the positive zone at 0.9%. Today it jumps to 18%. Let's go look at that chart. There it is. Oh, that's not good. Okay. And so yesterday it closed. This overnight. This is an 18% move. It's incredible. Like this is barely 1% yesterday, and there's 18. Bottom line is that we ended up with a day trader's exit, the dipper. So I have applied the dipper here, and it says black line line. You know what? I forgot. Let's go ahead and change that label. It is a dipper exit. And the labels help me focus on what's going on. And I went back and I did my audit, and CPT owes $229. Look where we're at. We're at $600, 18%. So we got our dipper. So if it reverses against us, it might be a small loss, but you see the tail here. This is good. All right, that takes care of CPTR. Let's go to IBT, and then I have an apology to make. Yep, you're seeing it right here, and I'm gonna address that very shortly. So let's go over and look to IBT, and IBT is in the positive zone. So I will be moving the stop here. I will not be doing it on screen for the orders because I have something else to share with you today that you have not. Well, I think I showed it once in the last coming up 5 months, February. But we'll be moving our stop to here because it is a dipper day trader's dipper, and we'll take the position here to protect the profit. All right, let's address what happened here. I totally was so involved in the reporting yesterday about Coca-Cola's win. I forgot to mention we had a heavy loss on XLV, and it was my fault. Yes, the market didn't have nothing to do with it. What happened was, again, this is one of the things that becomes very important in trading, and that's this. You got to watch out for your own distractions. I mean, there's enough with the phone and everything else going on, but then you got your own distractions get in the way, and that gets really bad, and that's what happened. I needed to move the stop here on the 22nd. I failed, and I noted it in my sheet. I failed to move the stop here because I was so involved in talking and enjoying what I'm doing with you guys that I forgot to take care of my own back door. The end result was we got stopped out here. Yesterday, 27th, we got stopped out here on this line. This should have been way up here. All right, how am I going to handle it? That is really the more important question. Remember, this was going after $3 of loss of life. So what's going to happen there is that, and here comes, I'm going to give you a peek at my spreadsheet, my accounting spreadsheet right there. Welcome to my accounting spreadsheet. Let me zoom in just a little bit more so you can see it clearly. And I need to hide. So what's wrong with this picture? Okay, let's see. All right, guys. There. All right. Okay, that's what I'm coming to. Here we are. There's our loss leaders right there. Winners are right here. There we are. 62 winners, 63 losers. It should be 63. This is wrong. I need to correct that. I will be doing I do an audit. I actually go back and look at things, but let me continue to get this out of the way. Now, these are penny stock. Let me explain. On deck means that they're in position to enter, but their opportunities are terrible. One of my criteria is I have a set of rules for options also, and I do not take the trade unless those options criteria are met. This is penny stocks. I've been waiting for these guys to return. Remember, stocks don't lose time value. They just sit there and wait their turn. Well, these guys have been waiting their turn for a long time, so I'm tired of waiting. What is plan B? Plan B is I'm going to transfer their losses, the 136, accordingly to their ETF. If I go to RELV and punch it into Yahoo, Yahoo will come back and tell me what sector. That sector then corresponds to the ETF. That ETF will get assigned, as evident down here. Remember, right there. See the asterisks? These are dead loss leaders. Life, WBMD, and MY. They owe me that much money. The losses have been assigned to the ETFs. That's it. So I will talk about this in the future and how to handle penny stock losses. And now you can see parts right there, 229, and then they are. So now who's on deck? So what happens to the loss though? It says, wait a minute. If we do the numbers, and I can do the numbers for you. The numbers are, we got in at 318. We got stopped out at 201. $117 per contract. We had 9 contracts, 1153 plus 1215 for the commission fees, and you can see 1066. So the reason I want to bring that up to you is this. XLV did not owe me any money until this loss occurred. So what happens? It's not going to be charged against the dead loss leaders. They're dead. They owe the money, not XLV. XLV owes it here. There it is, 1066. I round up to the next dollar. When they owe me money, I round up to the next dollar. So it's 1066 XLV. When XLV does, look, it's doing a turnaround right now. It's just getting its head above water. It breaks up in here. I will then be going back to play XLV again for that $3 and retire Life off the losers list. Then XLV will wait its turn as I make my end. This is the losers. These are all the losers that we have to work our way through till we get here. You can say, that's an awful lot. Well, yes, it is, because why? I was a rogue trader, and a rogue trader meant that I was not following all the rules all the time, all the way I should have been. Now I am. I'm more disciplined. And I am a revenge trader because it keeps me focused. I tend to be flighty. Some of you know me personally. So the result is this keeps me on target. Besides that, I have the time. Watch list and revenge trading is a time consumption. You need to have the time. This is why I'm encouraging you guys as end of day traders, as scan traders. You will pick your strategy, build a scanner, and have the scanner tell you when to get in. So that was the little surprise that I wanted to show you. And apology for not addressing this yesterday. So that's gone now. And now we go over to Tigers, and Tigers, I'm sorry to say, has nothing to report. So what happened? Haven't had the time to go and set up a trade. I have 2 other major accounts working for the members group. All right, that said, then we are going to close this for today, and I thank you very much for coming to Losers Become Winners for January 28th. Take care. Bye-bye.